How to disable keyboard sound on Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device and then you want to disable the keyboard sound, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The essence of this is to be able to silence your Samsung phone keyboard sound so that when you are typing at night or you are typing in a public, no one will be able to find out you are actually typing. So if none of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable keyboard sound on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, just scroll down. Click on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down the page and then click on system sound. Once you selected system sound, you should see Samsung keyboard turned on. If your Samsung keyboard is enabled, go ahead and disable it. Now once you disable that and you go back to your chatting spree, then you discover that your Samsung keyboard is no longer making the sound. You see that? You're only going to feel the haptics. So if you want to reduce the system sound, you can just drag this to the barest minimum, go back again, then the keyboard sound will be disabled. But if you don't want to disable the system sound volume, just turn that off and then come here and disable Samsung keyboard. So that is basically how to turn off or disable Samsung keyboard sound. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.